Hey guys, in this video I will discuss a question that is check completeness of a binary. As you can see here, it just has in phase row. So let's start. What is given to us? Given the root of a binary tree, determine it is a complete binary tree or not. So what you have given? You have given a tree and you have to determine that it is complete binary tree. It is, then return true, otherwise it is false. Now what is given to us? That what is complete binary tree is. So in a complete binary tree, every level except possibly the last completely filled. Means all levels should be filled except the last level. All nodes in the last level as far as left is possible. What does it mean? That the last node, if it has a node, say in 3 you can see here, the left one is given. Instead of right node, you have always given the left node, then it only a complete binary tree. This is a condition. Okay. It can have between 1 and 2 node inclusive as the last level edge. It can have either 1 or 2 nodes. So let's start from example so that you will be better understanding. So what is given to us here is, I have already told you, except the last level, you have always filled the node. Okay. So you can see here the last level, for the last level the nodes are empty. Means you don't have the nodes. That's why it is not a complete binary tree. Because you don't have here the right node. यहाँ पे भी right node. यहाँ पे भी also the right node and right node. Because except the last level, your node has to be branches. Okay, that means left and right node. Then only it will be a complete binary tree. Okay. And in this example, what you can see here, I have said you that the last level should be either does not have a node. It just okay. So is it a complete binary tree according to you or not? No, because I have already told you the entering of a node should be from the left side. That is, it should be from either this side. It is given to a right node. Okay, so that it is not a complete binary tree. If it is have this node and also this node, because from jumping from left side to right side, it should be necessary that you have completely left nodes have been filled, because the left nodes have been filled before entering the right side. Okay. So let us start our code. So as you can see here, in starting we have put the false condition, because whenever we need to prove right true now, so for that reason we have to always put a false condition. Because if we got the condition as true, so what we will do? We just improve it or just revoke its value to true. After that, what I have written is q tree node q equal to new linked list. What does it mean? I am using a q here, and after that I have used a tree node. Why I have used tree node here? Because as you can see here, these are the nodes of a tree. That's why I have used tree node here. After that, what is given to us? That is q. Because in Q or linked list, you can see here entering of the node from the first and to last means entering of the node from first and the removing of the node from the last is easy. That's why we are using linked list, and for storing the elements I am using Q here. Okay. After that, what is written? Q dot offer root. What does it mean to us? That if we want to put the root value to us, then for that reason in Java we use offer, that is q dot offer root. What does it mean? It will just enter the root value. Okay. And now while loop is going on. I already told you whenever you write the while loop, it just always entered with the condition. So what is the condition here? That q should not be empty. Okay. If q is not empty, that is null, not a null. So we will enter in a while loop, that is a node exists. Okay. After that, tree node current node equals to q dot pull. What does it mean is that you need to remove the node after entering into the loop. If we tell about this example, as you can see here, that after starting we have 1, after going to we have changed our root node. Okay, so our current node has been changed. That's why our current node, because our current node value is going to be changed. Because from after traversing from 1 to 2, that is from root to left side, our value should be changed. That's why I have used the q dot pull for changing the value. Okay. After that, what is written? If current is equal to null, means I don't have any node. That's why means current node is null. That's why I have written and true. Means if I don't have any tree, matlab I don't have any nodes, so what should I return? It's just a complete binary tree because I don't have anything to discuss. So that's why it is n equals to true. Okay, and now what is written else if n return equals to 4? What does it mean is, if suppose I have traversed the current node, before it, the null node existed. So what I will return is return false. Okay? Because null node exists, after that you have returned to a current node. So what I will do return is simply false. After that, what is written here? Q dot offer current node dot left. Because why I have written this line? Because whenever you go, you have always started from a left node, then you go to the right node. Because here also you can see it. What is written 1, after that 2 you will traverse, then 4, then 5. Okay. First of all, you will complete all the nodes of a left. After that, the branch of a right. That's why I have written Q dot of a current node dot left, because you will traverse the left. After that, the right node you will traverse. After that, all that condition I will return the true, because if it doesn't happen, means a queue is not empty. So what I will return simply true. So as you can understand, it is a simple code. What you need to prove is simply a complete binary tree, yes or no. So what I have written simply when n equals to false, because in first condition always need to be prove something. Now for that reason you always start a code with a false condition, because you need to be prove it the root true. That's why I written false. After that I have used a queue, tree node equals to new linked list. I have already told you why I have used tree node, because these are the branches of our tree. Okay, the nodes of a tree, that's why I have written tree node. After that I have used a queue and linked list to store the elements. Okay. After that I have used queue because insertion and deletion. The insertion at the first and deletion at the last is easy. That's why I have used queue, because you can see here that we need to traverse the left node and the right node. If we are traversing, means we are inserting the elements, and after going to the last, that is 4 or either 5, you have to remove the elements to go to backtrack to the right node. That's why I have used queue. Okay. What does it mean Q dot offer root? Because we are inserting the elements of the root. That's why I have used here. After that, while Q is not empty, now still the Q is not empty, we have to be traversed. That is tree node current node equals to Q dot pole. What does it mean is we have to be change the value of the node while traversing the loop. Means if we are going from 1 to 2, we need to change the value of the root. From here at the first level, you can see here the root value is 1. But if we go to traverse to the left side, you can see here the root value is going to be changed, that is 2. That's why I have written true. After that, what is written is current node equal to null. Means our node, I have taken current node equal to null. Means nothing is there. Null is not exist. So what that condition I have written true. True means if doesn't a node exist, so what I need to be written is simply a true. Otherwise, what is written in else condition? What is if n? What does it mean? If I have seen a current node, but before it, what is I have seen a empty node, so I have simply written a false condition. After that, what I have written is if it doesn't exist, it means I have node. Means before here in this condition I have told you that before existence a node a null node exists. So if this condition not fulfilled, it means I have the node. For that reason, I have to be put out the values inside it. So what I have written Q dot offer. Offer means you are inserting elements. That's why I have written current node equals to left. Why I have written left first? Because I need to be insert the value from the left side. That's why I have written current node equals to left. After that, you can see is Q dot offer current node dot right. Because after traversing to the left side, you can have to traverse to the right side. After that, all that condition you need to be right true. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आएगा. Thank you.